Welcome, in front of me I have REALME 6i, and today I'll show you how fingerprint sensor works in this device, and we can find fingerprint on the back and displays. So let's make a few tries and let's see how this sensor performs. So what I can say right now after a few tries, it's very fast. And honestly, it surprised me because this smartphone, it's not like very expensive. I can say that it's even cheap. So I can even say that it's one of the fastest sensors that I ever use in any smartphone. Maybe OnePlus 9 Pro was a little bit faster. And also Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro. But this one definitely rocks. It's one of the best, the fastest sensor. And as you can see, it also works every time, so it recognizes my finger in my fingerprint and never try. So that's good. I'm surprised, and I can recommend you to use that biometric settings. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.